Hey guys, my name is DG. My company name is AIC. We are based out of New York, New Jersey. We are into the innovation and design, create one of a kind pieces, one at a time. And we have an Instagram handle, AVIQ, AVIQUE. Well, I was interested to look something compact where I can shoot with no experience to the photography at my New York office, and that's what bring me to make my time more worthwhile than putting into the one by one photography. So I'm thinking if all goes well, this compact machine of photography, I'm thinking looking into it to purchase one. So let's see how it goes. Yes. So as of now, we have the whole photography and videography team with different cameras, different lighting. So it's kind of a studio setup at our factory, which is more labor intensive. Yes. This is look something more compact and no experience, as I said earlier. So yeah, I'm interested to look into it. Yeah. Well, it's compact, unique, and it has an AI built in. So all in one-stop solution for everything. So as we are into the innovation and designing, creating something unique, we had an idea to come up with a cross wrap around the dragon, wrapping around it, and this is how it come in life. We designed the sketch and idea to it, and after all this sketch work, we made some modification to the dragon. If you see, it's more visible and unique. Put some different setting, markings and bezel on the wings, do the mosaic on the background, and it's kind of dragon wrapping around it. So that's how it comes to life. And also this is how it looks in the GemIQ Studio. Looks really great. Yeah.